Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi free βHCG CLIA kit. So as you can see, this is the front and the top view of the kit. So let me show you. As you can see, this is the Snibe Diagnostics, the Maglumi free βHCG CLIA kit. As you can see, it contains 2.5 ml of magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml of calibrator low, 2.5 ml of calibrator high, then 10.5 ml of buffer, 10.5 ml of ABEI label, then 2.0 ml of internal quality control. And you can find the manufacturing address over here. You can see the reference number here, 130214002M. You can see the expiry, and it's a temperature control one and 100 test pack. So let me show you the sides. So these are the sides of the kit. This is the back side view of it, and also you can see there is this reference number, the free βHCG 130214002M. You can see these details over here. So let me unbox this for you. So first we have the free βHCG internal quality control. You can see this internal quality control here. This is around 2 ml of volume. So let me keep this here. Then we have a couple of sheets. So let me show you this. This is the Maglumi free βHCG quality control information, and we have a couple of sheets. Let me keep this here. One. Let me keep this here. Let me keep this here. So let me explain this for you. So this is the Maglumi free βHCG quality control information. You can see the internal quality control with the lot and the target values and ranges. So this is the quality control information. Then we have these stickers, these barcode stickers. Then we have these certification of quality inspection over here. Then we have these stickers, the Maglumi reagent sealing stickers. Then let me keep the internal quality control here. And so this is, so guys, as you can see, so this is the Maglumi free βHCG kit. You can see there is one barcode over here, and the lot number, the content of it, the manufacturing address, and every other bit. This is 100 test pack, and everything is perfectly sealed. So guys, let me keep it here. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi free βHCG CLIA kit. And as you can see, it comes with this kit, and it comes with the sticker 1, it comes with sticker 2, and we have the internal microcontrol buffer. Then we have the quality inspection certificate. Then we have the quality control information for the quality inspection certificate. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi free βHCG kit. Thank you.